So I'm back in the carron to this wee spot that I love so much. Even though I've not caught anything, I'm determined. I've got my wee mino. Hopefully a wee Brunei will go for this. 10-pound line, ultralight rod. Hope my camera's safe today, and just about lost it in a lock, sorry, yesterday. It's not there in the boot? No, now that I think about it, mate, like that wee air pump thing, that wee orange one. Same as that gold, mate. I could have swore that just fucking get up and vanish. Right there. Good. That's it away. I can see it. It's in that waterfall there, the second one. It's coming. No, that was dry.
You were sitting up here the whole day.
No, you get in. Try and get a bit of fishing before the rain opens up. The river, but that was no success. I need to fucking Google it and that.